Hello everyone, my name is Moirish. I am not an expert. I am starting from zero. This is day 5. No shortcut, no perfection, just daily progress. This is my journey to improve my life. Welcome to Change Your Life. So guys, I have started reading books instead of going outside and running in the morning. Since you are seeing from past videos that I generally woke up and go for running, but from now I have started reading the books since I whenever I woke up. So I have started reading the Chanakya Niti with sutras. So the first thing I learned from Chanakya Niti chapter 1 is save your wealth against future calamities. Means you should save your wealth so that in future if something happens the wealth can save you. So the next thing that I learned is do not inhabit a country where you are not respected, cannot earn your livelihood, not have no friends, or cannot acquire knowledge. So this is the second thing think that I like the most about chapter 1 Chanakya Niti with sutras. So the third thing that I like is testing the peoples around you, like test a servant while in the discharge of his duty. Means if you are hiring someone, if and you want to test him, you should test him whenever his duty is over, if he is standing for you or not. A relatives in difficulties, a friend in adversity, and a wife in misfortune. Means you should test your relatives, or you can see their real faces when you will have difficulties. You see the friends real faces when you have need, and a wife when you have don't money. So now let's talk about our things which have been discussed in previous video, that we are dividing our video into 5 different parts. So the first part is exercise. So since I have taken a target of 100 push-ups and 100 squats daily, uh, I am doing it regularly, and from tomorrow I am going to do two muscle exercises every day in gym. So now let's talk about finance and learning. So the learning let's talk about finance first. So the finance is generally what I am learning for now is invest your money continuously, step by step. Don't do hurry investments, like don't took a lump sum amount and just pour it into some stocks or something like that. You should do a step by step investment consistently. So now see what learning I have done today. So the first learning and the main learning that I feel, or that it seems important, is don't try to be perfect, just continue. Whatever you want to do, one day it will automatically become perfect. So this thing I think that admires most to me. Like I have also started the YouTube channel, but the videos are not that perfect, or the language that I am speaking is also not that perfect, but I am trying to improve it day by day. Since from past two videos I have uploaded a day 3 video where I summarize what mistake I have done and trying to improve it, and similarly by week I will try to improve myself. So this is what I think the most important learning I have learned today. So now let's talk about the third part of the video, that is studying. So it's difficult for me to sit in one place and learn something for 3 hours to 4 hours. The concentration level at some point gets saturated, and it's very difficult for me to continuously stay at one place and learn, but I am trying to improve it slowly. So this is what I have seen. So now let's talk about the tomorrow's plan. The tomorrow's plan is pretty simple. Like from 7 to 8 I will start reading books, the chapter 2 of Chanakya Niti. Then from 8 to 8:30 or till 9 I will fresh up myself. From 9 to 11 I will learn something about LLM models or something about my coding. From 11 to 12 I will learn something about finance. From 12 to 1 I will upload a video, which is my usual time of uploading the videos. From 1 to 3 I will take a quick nap. From 3 to 6 I will learn something about machine learning. For now, I have only learned the syllabus of the machine learning, but I will surely update it. From 6 to 7, I will go to gym, which I have common targets of some 100 push-ups and 100 squats. From 7 to 9, I will do a DSA problem with Java. From now, I am taking up another target of doing one lead code problem for every single day. And from 9 to 10, I will do, from 9 to 11, I do editing and I just wrap up myself. So that's it for today. Today wasn't perfect, but I showed up, and that's matter. Day 4 is done. I will see you tomorrow. So I will change myself, like I will also ask you to subscribe my channel from now. So please subscribe to change your life. Thank you.